Did you know that only about 70% of engineers who take the FE exam pass it on their first try? This challenging test is a game changer, often serving as a first major step in a successful engineering career. Welcome to this week's Pass the FE exam, and in this episode, I'll be exploring the benefits of becoming a licensed professional engineer and how it can open doors to new opportunities, increase your earning potential, and also give you a competitive edge in the industry. Now, whether you're a recent graduate or an experienced engineer, passing the FE exam can take your career to the next level. So I want to focus on 6 different points to inspire you to take and pass the FE exam. Number 1, exam day, the ultimate test of your knowledge and endurance. So let's start with the challenge itself, exam day. Now this isn't just any test, it's a 6-hour-long marathon of 110 multiple choice questions covering everything from math and engineering economics to material science and fluid mechanics. And that means that you're drawing on knowledge from your entire academic journey. Now you might be asking, why does the FE exam need to be so intense? Well, it's designed to see if you've got the full scope of engineering fundamentals down, no matter your discipline. Now, preparing for this exam demands months of focused study, and when you're finally sitting there on exam day, it's as much mental endurance test as it is a knowledge test. And when you pass, you know that you've truly earned it. Number 2, validation for new graduates. You want proof that you're ready for the field. Now, for recent graduates, passing the FE exam is more than just a credential. It's a powerful validation of all of the years that you've spent in school mastering engineering fundamentals. This milestone confirms that you're ready to take on the real-world engineering challenges and that your education has truly prepared you for the demands of the profession. Now, it's a huge confidence booster as well. Passing the FE exam shows that your skills measure up in a standardized way, putting you on par with thousands of other engineers. It's a stamp of approval that proves that you're equipped with the solid foundation needed to kickstart your engineering career. Number 3, it's a major boost to your resume. Now let's talk about one of the most obvious perks here, your resume. Passing the FE exam shows future employers that you're serious and well prepared. Now, it's a credential that tells them, I've got the fundamentals down. In fact, some companies even offer financial incentives or pay raises for employees who pass the FE exam because it shows that you're committed and that you're skilled as well. Imagine going into an interview and being able to say, yes, I passed the FE exam on my first try. That's going to make you a more attractive candidate overall. Number 4, it's going to open doors for exciting professional opportunities for you. Passing the FE exam isn't just about checking off a box. It's your gateway to the next level, which is going to be becoming a professional engineer, or a PE for short. To achieve that, the FE exam is step 1. Now, with your PE license, you can independently approve projects, you can sign off on plans, you can consult, and you can lead engineering initiatives as well. It can even be the ticket to a higher paying positions and leadership roles within your field. By passing the FE, you're already on the path to elite engineering status. So keep that end goal in mind. Becoming a PE down the line can be one of the best investments that you make in your career. Number 5, you want a stepping stone to advanced certifications and licensure. Now let's say that you want to specialize further in your own career. Now maybe becoming a model law engineer, a nuclear engineer, or even a requirements engineer. Some states and specialized positions actually require the FE certification before you can even start this. And in fact, passing the FE gives you flexibility, allowing you to move between states more easily. It's like a golden key that keeps your options open and expands your possibilities down the road. And then also number 6, the moment hard work pays off. Now finally, let's talk about that feeling when you walk out of the testing center with a passing score. After all of the late nights, the problem sets, and the review sessions, you've done it. But beyond just the relief, there's a deep sense of pride knowing that your hard work will pay off in those years to come. Now, passing the FE exam doesn't just prove your knowledge, it's a testament to your dedication and also something that you'll carry with you for the rest of your career. So to wrap it up, passing the FE exam isn't just another test. It's a major career milestone that validates your hard work. It shows your mastery of your engineering fundamentals, and it also sets you on a path towards your ultimate goal of licensure. Now, yes, it's challenging, but the rewards are worth every hour that you spend studying. So if you're preparing for the FE exam, just keep on pushing, keep on studying, and just remember that you're working towards something that's big, much, much bigger than yourself. And the doors that it's going to open are just the beginning of an exciting engineering career. So I hope that you found this week's video to be very helpful, and in upcoming videos, we're going to be answering more of your FE exam related questions and run through more practice problems for you all. Pass the FE exam will publish videos weekly, so please be sure to click on that subscribe button, as you're going to be getting expert tips and tricks including practice problems and solutions weekly. And we do this to ensure that you're going to pass that FE exam. And I encourage you all to ask questions in the comment section that we're going to be reading and responding to in future videos. So if there's a video or a specific topic that you want us to cover or a question that you want to have answered, be assured, pass the FE exam will have you covered. See you next week.